I'm probably not telling you any news, but drones will change the way agriculture is done. If you're a farmer or interested in farming, you might have heard of drones. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles that can fly autonomously or remotely controlled. They have many applications in different fields, but one of the most promising ones is agriculture. Drones will revolutionize the way agriculture is done in the future by helping farmers to increase their yields, reduce their costs, and protect their crops from pests and diseases. They will also help minimize the environmental impact of farming and improve the quality of life for rural communities. Here are some of the ways drones will change agriculture. Number 1. Drones will help to monitor crop health and growth. Drones can carry cameras and sensors that can capture high-resolution images and data from the fields. These images and data can be analyzed using artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect crop stress, nutrient deficiencies, weed infestation, disease outbreaks, and other issues. Farmers can use this information to make timely interventions and optimize their crop management practices. Number 2. Drones will help to reduce the use of pesticides. Drones can spray pesticides precisely on the affected areas, reducing the amount of chemicals needed and avoiding unnecessary exposure to other plants, animals, and humans. Drones can also use biological agents such as beneficial insects or microorganisms to control pests naturally. Number 3. Drones will help to optimize the use of water. Drones can measure soil moisture level and irrigation needs using sensors and algorithms. They can also control irrigation systems automatically to deliver water efficiently and avoid wastage. Number 4. Drones will help to protect the environment, wildlife, and nearby communities. Drones can quickly identify threats such as illegal logging, poaching, fires, or floods that could harm natural resources or endanger people's lives. They can also monitor biodiversity indicators such as plant species richness, animal populations, or habitat quality. Number 5. Drones will help to collect information beyond images. Drones can carry other types of sensors that can measure temperature, humidity, air quality, carbon dioxide levels, or radiation levels. They can also carry microphones that can record sounds such as bird calls or insect noises. This data can provide valuable insights into the effects of agriculture on ecosystems. Number 6. Drones will allow taking precision agriculture to a new level. Precision agriculture is a farming method that uses technology to tailor crop management practices according to the specific needs of each plant or plot. Drones can enable precision agriculture by providing accurate and timely data on crop conditions at a fine scale. They also enable precision actions by delivering inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, or pesticides exactly where they are needed. Number 7. Drones will automate chemical spraying tasks. Chemical spraying is one of the most labor-intensive tasks in agriculture, which requires skilled workers who must wear protective gear while handling hazardous substances for long hours under harsh weather conditions. Drone spraying eliminates these risks by automating this task with high efficiency, safety, and accuracy. Drone spraying also reduces drift, which can cause environmental pollution and save time, money, and fuel compared with traditional methods. Number 8. Hives of drones will do many common agricultural tasks in the future. Imagine a swarm of drones working together like bees in a hive. They could perform tasks such as planting seeds, pollinating flowers, harvesting fruits, nuts, and grains, cleaning weeds, mowing lawns, and more. Drone hives communicate with each other using wireless signals and coordinate their movements using algorithms. These hives learn from their experiences using artificial intelligence and adapt their behaviors according to changing conditions, opening a myriad of possibilities that we only started taking advantage of. In conclusion, the future looks bright for drones and their role in agriculture, offering plenty of benefits for farmers, the environment, and society at large. They're not only tools, but partners that work alongside humans in harmony. They're not only gadgets, but innovations that transform our world. Let's take advantage of them.